Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial, how to design a crystal shattered portrait. Open your portrait and duplicate it. Now add cracks, gloss textures on the top. Now set blend modes to screen or lighten. Mask specific parts of shattered effect and apply outer glow to gloss fragments and add reflections light using soft white brush. Use liquify to bend small parts. Paint shadows under broken areas. Now add sparkles overlays for crystal shine. Adjust tone using color lookup and select crisp warm. Use vignette for cinematic depth. Slightly blur outer fragment for realism. Your crystal shattered portrait looks stunning. Thanks.